Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Diva Dayo skin. This unique cosmetic item is found within the Roblox game Forsaken, and its availability is often tied to special, limited-time events. To acquire it, players usually need to complete a specific in-game action, such as visiting a linked experience. Once you've met the requirements, the skin will then appear in your Forsaken inventory, ready for use. The first crucial step is to find the specific Roblox game associated with the Diva Dayo skin event. This information is usually shared by the game developers or community. Once you've identified it, simply join that game. Upon entry, you should automatically receive a special badge, confirming your participation and eligibility. Make sure you see the badge notification pop up. This is vital for the next step. Once you have successfully earned the required badge, your next step is to return to the Forsaken game. It's often recommended to join a private server, as this can help ensure the game registers your new badge correctly. Head over to your in-game inventory or the character customization section. You should now find the Diva Dayo skin listed among your available cosmetics, ready for you to equip and enjoy. Remember, the Diva Dayo skin is typically a limited-time offering, so it's important to participate promptly when events are active. Always keep an eye on official Forsaken announcements for precise dates and instructions. A stable internet connection is also helpful during the acquisition process. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your game or checking community forums for troubleshooting tips. Good luck getting your cool new look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.